Hey Bright Talk fam! I am back with another episode to power up your English vocabulary. Today's 5 words are commonly used by fluent speakers, and after this video, you will be using them too. Let's get started. Spontaneous means doing something suddenly, without planning. For example, we took a spontaneous trip to the hills, and it was the best decision ever. When something is ambiguous, it is unclear or has more than one meaning. For example, his answer was ambiguous. I could not tell if he was saying yes or no. To procrastinate means to delay or postpone doing something. For example, I always procrastinate when it comes to cleaning my room. Meticulous means showing great attention to detail. For example, she is so meticulous. Her notes are neat and perfectly organized. Something transformative causes big positive changes. For example, reading that book was a transformative experience for me. Words are powerful, and using the right ones makes a big difference. Try using one of these words in your next conversation or comment it below. Do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Bright Talk, and share this video with a friend who is learning English too. See you in the next one.